Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, guys, my name is Zulu, and I'm going to share with you my tips and tricks how you can elevate your food to the next level and show you how to create delicious food. If that sounds like a bit of you, click the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you won't miss another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make mayonnaise. Super easy. First, place the egg yolks into a bowl. Add a generous teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a splash of white wine vinegar. About a teaspoon. If you don't have white wine vinegar, use cider vinegar, or you can also use your lemon juice. Now whisk that together. The reason you use vinegar, lemon juice or cider vinegar is for the acidity. It helps to emulsify. Now for the oil. It's good to use a flavourless oil like rapeseed or groundnut oil. It's good. Where a lot of people go wrong is they add the oil way too quickly. The secret is to add it in a steady stream. 2 egg yolks can take anywhere from 200 to 250 ml. Just keep an eye on it until it's thick. Whisking constantly. You can do this in a food processor. It is a lot faster, but in today's video I'm just going to show you how to do it by hand. As you can probably tell, it has thickened drastically now. Now when it does thicken, you can be a bit more relaxed and pour the oil a bit faster. And from this point it doesn't take long at all until it's ready. Until it turns like this. And there you have it. You probably noticed something. I haven't seasoned it yet. The reason for that is because I ruined the egg yolk. Salt, pepper, optional. Mix it in. Now get yourself a jar, a container, whatever you have, and place the mayonnaise in, and place the lid on, and store in the fridge. It will last about 4 to 5 days. And there you have it, guys, how to make a mayonnaise. If you enjoyed this video and you find it helpful, please drop us a like down below. Comment whatever you'd like to see next. And if you haven't already, guys, please subscribe. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you next week.